Hey creators, have you recently downloaded my Pagination Planner, a storyboarding tool that helps you plan out your whole storybook, whether you're a writer or illustrator, and you're curious to not only use it pen to paper, drawing out your storyboard, but you want to use it digitally. For example, in Procreate on the iPad. Let me show you how to import that PDF into Procreate so you can use it digitally. Here is a quick tutorial on how I import my Pagination Planner into Procreate to use digitally. So if you've downloaded it onto your iPad through the purchase link that you buy it from me and you've done a download, you can, even if you've downloaded already on the desktop or your phone, you can go in through your iPad to the link where you've purchased it and download it on your iPad. So now what you would do to import it into Procreate is you would go to the top right where it says import, and you would find your downloads, and you would find that page that you purchased from me and open it. Now what I do, you can open it and begin to sketch right on it. I keep it as the base layer 1 for whatever I work on, because I don't want to import this file every single time I want to do a storyboard. I just save it here and label it template. And I just keep it in a spot, and you can see now I've imported one for you, but I had mine already saved. So what I do is, I'll just get rid of that now, and you can see the one I have here. So I have it here, and you can rename it, and you can rename it template if you want. And then that shows you not to ever draw or, sketch on that one, but it's available for you to then duplicate. So I'll just show you the duplication process. So I called that template. Now you would, on the top right corner, hit select, check mark it, and then hit duplicate. So now I've ended up with 2 of them here again. Now that you have duplicated your template, I drag it to where I want it located in my gallery, and then I rename that duplication. So I would rename it the name of the book or a placeholder name. So there you have it. That's how you import your Pagination Planner into Procreate on the iPad. If you find this tool or video helpful, we'd love your support here on YouTube by subscribing to the channel, hit the bell for notification, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend if you think they'd like it. All those things that YouTube loves. Here on the channel, I have lots of videos that help guide picture book creators through writing, illustrating, and marketing your independently published picture book on Kindle Direct Publishing. So check out the links below. Until next time, picture book creators, happy creating.